Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW guys X5 with 6-cylinder gasoline engine, guys, N52, 3, 4 or 5 engine, guys, and you're trying to remove or replace spark plugs, we'll explain where they're located, how to get to them. We'll explain the torque specs and gap specs for the N52 engine as well, guys. This is the 6-cylinder gasoline engine 3.0 naturally aspired engine. So stay with us, we'll cover that. Before we start, guys, all the tools, parts, if you need to buy new spark plugs, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Something else, guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information. Let us show you what we have here, guys. This is N52 engine that actually can be found in BMW guys 5 Series, 3 Series, X3, X5 here in the United States. It's practically the same engine, guys. The only difference will be on the X5 will have your air filter sitting here on top, and your upper engine cover will be cut right here for the air filter. But why we're making this video? Because many of you asked us, okay, to do a spark plug gap specs and torque specs on BMW X5 in the comment section below, but many of you don't know that actually this engine, N52 engine, has been used in all these cars, so the procedure will be practically the same. Now once you remove your upper engine cover on the X5, it will attaches with screws, guys. Once you remove those, you will be able to get to the ignition coils. Spark plugs are right under ignition coils. On the very front of your engine towards the radiator fan, you have cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and number 6. So we will replace only one, guys, show you how to do that. All the other ones are exactly the same way. We need to open that cap and start pulling the wire and opening the cap at the same time. Okay, perfect. Then you need to remove your ignition coil in order to get to the spark plug. You can see, great. Now we're going to remove the ignition coil out. Now if you guys have engine oil on your BMW X5 in the spark plug hole, this is probably most likely, guys, due to a bad valve cover gasket, and we'll have a video how to actually replace that one. Get a 5/8 socket, thin wall socket, and we'll start removing the spark plug. Now the tool that we use to set the gap, okay, is this gauge right here. It's very convenient. And not to waste your time, guys, let me share about the gap. For that N52 B30 engine, guys, the gap is supposed to be 11 millimeters, guys. 1.1 millimeters, or it needs to be, guys, in inches, 0.043 inches, okay, or 1.1 millimeter. We have ours set, okay, we installed that spark plug not too long ago, and it's right on the spot, right at 11 still, so nowhere at all. Now we're going to go ahead, install it. It's very important not to drop it. If you drop it, you will damage, okay, guys, actually that gap specs, and the spark plug may not function correctly. So that being said, okay, torque wrench is right here. We need to set it at 23 Newton meters. That's what most people recommend, plus minus 3 Newton meters. So you can go anywhere from 20 to 26. We usually go at 23. This is a click type wrench. Once you hear a click, stop. Listen now. Right there, guys, this is it. Perfect. Now all we have to do, you need to go ahead and install your ignition coil. Get on top of the spark plug, push it in, guys, and disconnect the wire. Now something else, guys, this channel right here, that's our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 71 million people. We have content that can save you guys thousands of dollars, so check it out. Definitely, guys, will be very helpful information shared there. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.